Hello everyone, today we're talking about yeast and how they maintain constant pH. So yeast like to have an optimal pH of 4 to 6, right? That means they're acidophiles, right? Acid loving. This is because their membrane proteins work best at this pH, right? And they have the best metabolism at this pH. They're most metabolically active, I should say. This was likely due to fend off nutriophilic, meaning bacteria that like to be at a pH of about 7, fends off that kind of bacteria, isolates them, less competition, right? You can kind of see their increased metabolism over here, right? At a pH of about 4.6, you're going to see that the fermentation efficiency is at its highest. Ethanol as well, that's a byproduct of fermentation, right? You're going to see that production is the biggest, which is why I said here they have their increased metabolic activity. So yeast homeostasis by the proton pump, right? This is what happens when we get too basic of a pH, basically from 6 to 14. The yeast cell will notice the change, right? And what it will do is through ATP synthase, right? These aren't prokaryotic cells, they're eukaryotic cells, so they do cellular respiration. Specifically, this is a type of fungus, right? So it still has that ATP synthase. It will use the hydrogen ions to acidify the medium of which it's in, right? That's going to make it more acidic, hopefully to get it down to that range of 4 to 6, right, to reduce stress. This is also shown in this graph here. This is how they kind of made the link that it's going to use hydrogen ions. It uses membrane potential. It becomes increasingly more negative, which tells us that hydrogen ions are being pumped out of the membrane and into the medium of which it lives in. Here are my sources here. Feel free to check them out. They were really interesting reads. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys.